This is the earthing system for the combiner box and the charge controller, the two charge controller. This is the bus bar for the two charge controller and the two combiner box earthing system, grounding system. So you have to take one of this and go with it to the grounding area. So this is the earthing system. This is the combiner, the bus bar for the earthing system. And this is the positive terminal of the charge controller input, and the positive terminal of the charge controller output connected to this breaker, and the output of the charge controller is connected to the BMS, the positive part of the BMS, and the negative part of the output is connected to the negative part of the BMS. This is the connection we have already done. As you can see, this is the connection we have already done today. It's already finished. The 60 kilowatt is already done, as you can see. So I thank you very much, and we are through with it. Thank you for your cooperation. And this is my colleague, engineer, one of the senior engineer is with me. His name was Daniel. I myself also. So this is the BMS, and this is the output of the BMS. And this output, this first one is connected, which is the positive line, is connected to the bus bar, and the negative line of this is connected to this bus bar, and another set of the battery bank, which is the second bank. And this is the output of the positive line. It's connected to the bus bar of the positive line, and the negative of it is connected to the negative line of the bus bar. And they also are reading charging. And these are the charge controller. This is 4 stream, that is 4 series. Each one of the series is 1 strand. Each one of the series is for 1 strand. And this is the charge controller that's responsible for each of the stream. And then the sun have already go is 5.73 kilowatts, 13 amp. And this is the second. This is three stands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 negative. This is the positive of the input. This is the negative of the input. And this is the 14.38 kilowatts. The sun have already go down. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The 60 kVA as Machika I've already completed. This is the BMS, and the SOH is 100% and the SOC is 100%. That the source of health 100 and the source of charging is 100, and the inverter status is on. As you can see, this is the first bank of the 60 kVA battery bank system. Is 380 volts, 200 amp, 15,360 kilowatts, 60 kilowatts. And this is the continuation of the second bank. As you can see, is a continuation of the second bank of the battery system. And this is the battery B bank system, that the second bank of the battery system. As you can see, this is the BMS also, and the second bank of the battery system, the SOC, that the source of charging is 100%, the source of health is 100%. And this is as you can see, this is the deck of the different batteries that's connected in series. It's about 384 volts and 15,360 kilowatts. And this is the continuation of the second bank. And this is the combiner box, the first combiner box, and the first charge controller, the earthing area, and this is the second combiner box, and this is the second charging controller. These are the breakers, as you can see. And we come to the inverter. This is the inverter. As you can see now, the inverter output is already shown 3-phase. As you can see, the inverter output is already on and the inverter is working now. As you can see, this is the 3-phase system. That's 60 kVA in Masheka.
Hello, good day to everyone. I am one of the engineers in Sierra Leone by the name of Ibrahim Sapate. And few days ago, I have a project of 60 kV from one of the company in Masheka. It was the product of Tanfon, and first in history for me to encounter short products. It was very nice to install, and it can take us 2 weeks to install it. We finish the job at the period of 1 week and 2 days, and the product is working well. The company is using now the 60 kVA. The inverter is very good, which is a transformer based inverter, and the charge controller are very good, and the lithium battery with protected BMS, they are very much good. And I want to encourage everyone in the world for them to go in for the product of Tanfon's company solar system products, as their product is very much good and easy to install, and their product is well equipped with high voltage system, and their panels is very good. Everything you think about form is very good. So I want to encourage you to keep on buying this product. This product is one of the best products I have ever installed in my life, and I want to encourage you all to keep on buying this product wherever you are. As I am one of the engineers in Sierra Leone, I'm encouraging you because I know what I saw the last time I installed the product, what was the good thing, the outcome of the product. That's why I'm encouraging everyone in the world to keep on buying this product. And the cooperation with the engineers in China is very cordial. Any help you need from them, they can render it to you. So I want to thank you once more again for you to keep on in touch with the Tanfon solar product system, as they are one of its kind in the world. Good day.